You wanna know why Bitcoin is not going to stop rising? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo, Arnedo. And today we have, of course, a new all-time high for Bitcoin, 73,794. This is something we are now used to. And remember, we are comparing now week after week how Bitcoin behaves each day. After a good Monday, bad Tuesday, and then what's going on a Thursday? Well, you can see that we usually, comparing with just one data, we have better results till Friday. So we expect today better than yesterday, and maybe Friday another time a good one and a bad weekend. We'll see about that. We have to wait. Remember to smash the like button because you always forget. Well, not you, but many people forget. And why is that? Why is that Bitcoin is going to keep on going higher and higher? How can we know what's the strategy for buying Bitcoin in this crypto bull market? Well, you can see here Pompliano with the idea that yesterday we had more than 1 billion in net inflows to the Bitcoin spot ETFs. So those are buying like crazy. The network only produces 65 million of new Bitcoin for circulation. So that's 15x more demand than the new supply. So price has to go up to accommodate everyone. That's the main idea, but we are going to go to an expert that is going to explain us how this is going to happen and when do we have our first hints that price might go down, a correction, so that you can buy Bitcoin there and make some profit. Again, you see here BlackRock just holding to $15.4 billion in Bitcoin. They now hold more than 1% of the total Bitcoin supply. It even surpassed or flipped MicroStrategy. Remember, those two are fighting for good, for being the one more with more Bitcoin. And remember that Michael Saylor said that that one that has the most Bitcoin is the one that is going to win. We told you all about this in previous videos. You have to watch them all. We told you how this liquidity crisis is the main reason why Bitcoin is going to go higher and higher, and maybe in 6 months something is going to explode. But today, again, we have this expert called Mike Novogratz. Remember, this guy knows what he's saying. He worked on Goldman Sachs, also Fortress Investment Group. Then he founded Galaxy Digital, which is a company for investment in crypto and blockchain technology. So he's one of the proponents of Bitcoin, and he's saying this to us, which is crazy. Why and when should we buy more Bitcoin, and why it is going to keep on going up and up? Let's listen to this transcription from ChatGPT to the interview that I'm going to leave you with a link in the description below. This has been a wild ride of an asset. We're in price discovery mode right now, and if you're looking at the chart, you could see that 100K is likely, yes, but we're still on price discovery mode because we had $1 billion of inflows last night into the ETFs complex, and as long as that is positive, the price is going to keep grading higher. Once that becomes negative, you'll see the first real correction. So this is our hint there. Whenever we have more inflows every day, keep the Bitcoin price is going to keep on going higher. And when those slow down a little bit or they are less, then maybe we have that correction and you can maybe short Bitcoin if you are a trader, or maybe buy more once we have the dip in. This guy, Novogratz, doesn't believe that we're going to go back below 55,000. He believes that's the floor. If something dramatic happens, but he believes that we might not even go to that price. And he prices Bitcoin as it's staggering how much wealth it preserved in the past, and it's going to do in the future. So congratulations to Satoshi Nakamoto and Bitcoin. And if you want to do this strategy, waiting for the dips, Consider that we might have those, but also remember that once the ETF for gold was approved, we were 5+ years going higher and higher. Of course, with ups and downs, but 5 years from now will bring us to 2030, and who knows where the Bitcoin price can be at that point. You see this crazy rise for gold at that time. So, congratulations if you want to buy cheaper and you find those maybe 38% drops. We'll see about that. And what about if we look every day into those inflows? I'm saying, well, that's the good strategy, in my opinion. You can see here in the green, as far as right now, we have more and more green, and that's okay. So once we see this reduce, once the nine stop buying or all the institutions, maybe it's our moment. If you want more charts like this one, you have to go to lookintobitcoin.com. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below. Also, of course, you have this on findontheright.com, useful applications for the crypto world that I will show you later. But right now, let me tell you that we have not just MicroStrategy, not just the nine buying out there. We have here Mr. X, Mr. 100, because we don't know who this guy is or entity, and it's buying like 700 Bitcoin every day. So just this address, this institution is buying all the Bitcoin that comes into circulation, into supply every day, and we don't know who this is. So amazing. Some institutions out there that we don't know buying more Bitcoin, not just the regular ones that we know. And that's the case. And so Peter Schiff finally, on an interview, he said that he regrets not buying Bitcoin in the past. He's been all these years saying that gold is the real thing and that he hates Bitcoin. And now in an interview, he finally says that he wishes he had bought Bitcoin in the past. He would have made a killing and not just complaining every day out there and buying gold and not making that amount of money. So for me, the bad thing on Peter Schiff is that even though he regrets that, he still doesn't see value on Bitcoin. And he's still saying no to Bitcoin. So if you're here today, if you are a new person in the crypto sphere, well, it's okay. Start today. I'm not going to give you financial advice, but if you want to buy Bitcoin, one day has to be the first day. Consider all the Bitcoin those institutions are buying, and you are wondering if you should buy 1,000 or like 100 euros of Bitcoin. I don't know. You can see here in this map, fiatleak.com, how Bitcoin is being bought from Asia to United States, also Europe right now. Is beautiful. You have, again, the link in the description below, and all these applications, you have them on findontheright.com, useful application, and so many other things where you can learn for free. Everything for free, always on Find on the Right. This is not courses like with other YouTubers that you have to pay. So go there. You have the chance. Sometimes when this is free, you don't learn, but you have the possibility of learning for free. Also watching all our videos, of course. Remember, we told you yesterday, not just about Bitcoin, all these explosions, but also about Ethereum and the decon that we have yesterday. And you can see that we had an all-time high for Bitcoin, but not for Ethereum yesterday, for some dollars. So we didn't. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We'll see if we go to this all-time high, 4,500 approximately. And once we have that, we should securely manage our crypto. And we can do that with cold wallets like Trezor, the one I use, link in the description below. And they told us they were so happy that the Dencon upgrade was now live. The hard fork happened. And of course, all your Ethereum and all your RRC standard 20 tokens, you can keep them with your Trezor wallet. So go to Trezor, buy it with the link in the description below. So you help us. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. And then watch this free again video about how to use it and how to be a sovereign individual and how to store your cryptos safely. Also, what about that hard fork? Well, allegedly it went okay, and those L2s now have lower fees. So happy, people believing that Bitcoin, because of this, might go to $5,000 now. Good for those fees to be lower now, but you should expect, maybe yesterday you would expect that the L2s went up, and they didn't. They went down. I don't understand why. Maybe it's a buy the rumor, sell the news event. But the market as a whole streams so greedy, extreme greed. When Elon Musk is trolling out there, he retweeted this. It's a joke about dollar scam. You can see this is like a crypto scam, but it's not a crypto scam. It's dollar related. 27 trillion in circulation, unlimited supply cap because they can't print it. Only one node, US government. 25% of supply minted in last months, and 1% holders on 30%. That's a joke, that's a dollar, and that's Elon Musk just trolling as he does. We love that. And here in this conference, he said that Dogecoin is going to the moon. He was asked, do you still support Dogecoin? And he said, yes. They asked him, I'm gonna be able of buying a Tesla car with Dogecoin. Eventually, you are, I am. Nice. And also the explanation why he supports Dogecoin is because he was at Tesla and SpaceX factories, and he saw these guys talking about this. So he said, okay, this is the money of the people, so I'm gonna support this. And that's why, of course, price of Dogecoin went up in the couple of hours that this FOMO came in. I'm watching this on dextools.io, link in the description below, of course, where you can watch all the hot pairs. And today we see Pepe in number 2, and I'm so happy. Of course, I'm still with my 8x, as we said in previous videos, and you can see that Pepe just hit a new all-time high. So where is Pepe heading? Who is going to win? Maybe my frog, because of this pattern of the bull flag, or maybe it's the dog with a hat. The dog with a hat is just the 4th cryptocurrency for the meme world. So you can see this crazy world where just a Dogecoin with a hat can have all this market cap. They rise for this project. So they in Las Vegas, they are going to have this dog with a hat in the sphere. You know, you can put their stuff, paying money. So we're going to have there this crazy thing. Crazy crypto world, of course. What if this is just, as they say, a meme coin about a Dogecoin with a hat? You can see it's number 4 right now with all this market cap, still far from Pepe, Shiba Inu, or Dogecoin, but it has more than Floki, for example, which is crazy, or Bonk, or even my baby Dogecoin, which is so sad. Remember, we have this tool called marketcappoof.com, and there you can compare the market cap of your cryptocurrency with another. So what if this dog with a hat has the same market cap of Pepe? Well, then the price will rise 1.5x to 443. Interesting. Also, in the all-time high, you can check. For example, you can check with Dogecoin. In this case, the dog with the hat, it will make an 8.5x. If we go to the all-time high, this would mean 27x, and the price will go to $89. Do you believe this is something possible? Who knows? Is it better a dog with a hat than without it? And what about the frog versus the dog? Here you can see that if Pepe reaches a Dogecoin all-time high market cap, that means a 20x from now. So I'm not selling right now because I'm full of FOMO. Remember, all these tools, you have them on farmtheride.com and so many others you can learn there for free. And maybe you learn about these meme coins. It's interesting. Why? because we have institutions saying now that those are interesting investments, like Franklin Templeton. They are degen right now, as they say, with these meme coins. And they said to investors that they should buy if they want some profit, some returns. So crazy. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below in case you want to research more about that. And talking everything about Elon Musk, he retweeted this saying that AI probably probably is going to be smarter than any single human next year. By 2019, AI is probably smarter than all humans combined. We will tell you all about this on AI News. Of course, watch today's video. And if you want to watch this interview to this guy called expert futurist Ray Kurzweil, well, go to Spotify. I will recommend to listen to this podcast, but also, why not go and listen to my podcast, which is the same you're listening right now, but you can, if it's more comfortable for you, maybe without advertisements because you are paying for Spotify, we have our videos also on Spotify. The market fighting for the green right now, and you can see how the bubbles are focusing on meme coins. And today, let me tell you that we have a very interesting piece of information if you want to make some money. If you still don't have your Bybit card, you can make a lot. But also, if you have it, we have this new promotion because they are making the first anniversary of the card, and you can earn an iPhone 5 Pro, Apple Vision Pro, and much more. So go to the link in the description below, and you are going to have our promo code there. Use our promo code. If not, you're not going to make that 25 euros up to, and I'm not going to make my profit. So thank you very much for using it. And also then you can apply. You go to the bybit.com web. I'm leaving you the link below, and you'll have this anniversary promotion where you can make all this and new in the future items that they will provide. How? Well, just if you are a new user, that's so easy. And also, you have different tasks there. So if you put into your crypto card like $100, you have a chance of making one of these prices. Also, if you spend like 300 euros, you will do two. I have to put some money into my Bybit card because I spent a lot and I'm just now with 11 euros. So yeah, if I want to spend 300, first I need them. So I will deposit them and then I will try with the spin wheel and see if I have one of these prices. Need a new crypto card? Well, link in the description below. I recommend it for you, as I recommend love, forget about crypto and money from time to time, like this guy. And you know, as I'm telling you about this, that we are coming to an end of the show. And maybe you are like this guy. No, please, Rodri, I don't want you to leave. I don't want you to go. Well, as I'm always telling you, you can keep off learning with AI News. We'll have a new video just today, so watch it at some point and learn everything about Gemini. And if you want to keep on learning about crypto, then watch one of these two videos. I'm researching already for tomorrow's Crypto News here. It's going to be amazing. Do not miss that. In Crypto News, Rodrigo, Arnedo, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!